I'll be very honest, Secretary, because I trust, I honor you, kilala kita, but I have a little bit of a trust issue with you right now. Because last year, we had a coffee date. At sabi ko sa'yo, Secretary, magpupuyat ba tayo and isa-isahin ko pa ba to sa budget hearing o mag-uusap na lang tayo? Sabi mo, ano concern nyo, Senator? Sabi ko, yung Laguna Lakeshore Highway, during the time of Pinoy, PPP yan. During the time of Pinoy, kami ay kinonsulta sa Senado, kinonsulta ang local government, kinonsulta congressman, hindi nyo kami kinonsulta.
We recognize the gentleman from Taguig, Pateros, Senator Alan Cayetano.
Morning, Mr.
Morning.
President, Presiding Officer, colleagues, Madam Chair, and of course the DPWH family, magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat. 4 topics, I'll try to go as fast as I can. The first topic is loans and consultation. I brought this up during our hearing last year sa economic team that we can only spend money that is appropriated. That is what is in the Constitution. However, there is no law prohibiting the executive from borrowing money. And then when we ask this question from previous administrations adopted by this administration is that where is the legislative authority to release the money, to pay for it? Pinapasok na lang daw sa GAA. Dati, wala naman mga mediation clause or penalties. So for example, if the DPWH borrows 10 billion for Bulacan and Congress doesn't like it, by the time na nasa GAA, nagastos na yung pera. So after 1 year na may grace period, tapos ginagawa na, doon lang malalagay sa GAA. So the point I'd like to make, Madam Chair, is that will the department be extra careful in consultation, especially with the local government and Congress, dun sa mga inuutang nila, para hindi tayo magka-problema mamaya?
Mr. President, from my understanding, especially if we have to borrow for a big ticket item or any loan in particular with the funded DPWH project, it has to be approved by NEDA. Now, NEDA is composed of so many different departments, headed by, of course, the department secretary, but the Department of Finance, the Office of the President, etc. So, the DPWH, if I understand also the point of view of our colleague from Taguig, is that DPWH take an active role in advising the, let's say, the NEDA board after proper consultation with those that will be affected, like the local government, kasi the stakeholders. Kasi tama din naman yung concern natin na sa NEDA board, very macro. Pero pag hindi naman kinonsult yung mga nandun sa baba, kahit ang puro technical lang, pero baka yung application palpak.
I agree with that statement, Madam Chair, yung sa macro, sa micro, but even sa macro kasi ang nagsasubmit sa NEDA, yung department. I'll give you example. Halimbawa, this was the pandemic and DOH believe in, anong pangalan nun, ivermectin, di ba? And wanted to buy 10 billion worth of that medicine. And all the sciences was hazy, walang naniniwala doon, and Congress disapproves it. Do we mean to say that all DOH has to do is to bring it to NEDA, mag-agree sila, utangin nila, tapos magulat na lang tayo 3 years later na kailangan natin magbayad ng 10 billion kasi inapprove? So again, this is not just for the DPWH, I'm just making it a case in point because I do have a, I'll be very honest, Secretary, because I trust, I honor you, kilala kita, but I have a little bit of a trust issue with you right now. Because last year, we had a coffee date. At sabi ko sa'yo, Secretary, magpupuyat ba tayo and isa-isahin ko pa ba to sa budget hearing o mag-uusap na lang tayo? Sabi mo, ano concern nyo, Senator? Sabi ko, yung Laguna Lakeshore Highway, during the time of Pinoy, PPP yan. During the time of Pinoy, kami ay kinonsulta sa Senado, kinonsulta ang local government, kinonsulta congressman, hindi nyo kami kinonsulta. You said you will go to my office. I said, no, sir. We will all go to your office. January, pumunta sa iyo si dating Deputy Speaker Rani Abu, who's my Chief of Staff sa CA and agreed to help me for a time being. Pagpunta niya sa iyo, sabi mo, Rani, hindi tuloy ang project. Nag-hearing tayo last month, tinanong ko kayo. Sabi mo, ay gusto kasi ni Presidente kaya tuloy. Ang sabi ko sa iyo, Secretary, hindi ma-aprobahan ni Presidente yan na wala kayong memo to the President na hindi nyo tinulak. Ang Presidente kahit may gusto, magpapa-complete staff work yon. So umabot na tayo today, wala pa rin ako naririnig sa inyo. So pasensya na po tayong lahat, I have to ask these questions. So did you consult the City of Calamba about this project?
Apparently, Mr. President, the City of Calamba was actually, the representatives were consulted.
Okay.
But of course, that's just what they
No, no,
tell us now.
That's okay. I'll take their answer face value. Did you consult, ano pa bang dadaanan? Dadaanan ba San Pedro?
All the LGUs that will
Oh,
be
so hindi ko na
part
isa-isa.
of that route was
Okay.
consulted.
So kung kinonsulta nyo lahat, bakit hindi nyo kinonsulta ang Taguig? 8 kilometers ang dadaanan sa Taguig, sisirain yung buong view ng lakeshore ng Taguig.
Mr. President, supposedly, there were meetings conducted by DPWH. The City of Taguig was represented and led by Engineer Eric Castro, Ms. Lou Ancheto, Engineer Jericho Arsenio Flores, and
Yes.
Engineer Jerome San Pedro,
Madam
etc.,
Chair,
etc.
they sent me a letter stating that. But yung aking ang coffee date with the secretary sa Sofitel, I told him that, Mr. Secretary, ang consultation, tatanungin nyo sila sa project. Tatanungin nyo, maganda, ano. Hindi yung sasabihin nyo, eto plano, ano comment nyo. So sinabi ko na, sinumbong ko na sa inyo, Mr. Secretary, na ang ginawa ng mga tao nyo, nag-appointment, nagtambak ng pera, ng dokumento, pero hindi tunay na consultation. So let me ask you this. Saan maglalanding yung Laguna Lake Highway sa Taguig? Saan kayo mag-e-exit? Sa Bikutan, tama ba? Sa Bikutan ba kayo mag-e-exit? Oh. Yes or
Mr.
no? Para
President,
mabilis
they're
tayo.
conferring with each other right now. Mr. President, supposedly sa Lower Bikutan,
Yes, papunta dun sa General Santos Avenue, tama ba?
Sa General Santos Avenue? Yes.
yes, Mr.
Okay. Wag na natin yung kahabaan ng General Santos Avenue, ha? Yung lang intersection ng ML Quezon at General Santos, less than 1 kilometer. Ilan minutes na traffic sa ngayon? Alam nyo ba? Doon ako nakatira, kaya alam ko. At sinabi ko kay Secretary. Oh. It's 30 minutes for less than 1 kilometer. Hindi pa todo rush hour yun. Kaya sabi ko kay Secretary, Secretary, may problema tayo doon. Baka kailangan yung maglagay ng flyover. Eto problema. Ang DOST hindi basta pumapayag sa flyover kasi may mga equipment sila doon na pag nag-shake, naapektuhan. Kaya hindi sila pumayag sa subway. So paano nyo ngayon sasabihin sa Koreano at saka sa ADB na okay plano nyo, okay consultation nyo, gagawin yung 2 oras traffic namin, lipat nyo opisina nyo doon, kayo tumira doon. Gagawa kayo ng highway, sasabihin nyo sa lahat ng taga Laguna, 15 minutes, 30 minutes na lang. Eh hindi nga makakatawid ng kalye ngayon ng 20 minutos eh. O anong original plan nyo dyan? Hindi ba 4-lane lang yan? Sa panahon ni Secretary Villar, pinakiusapan ko siya. Huwag niyong ituloy yung isa niyong rota. Bakit? Ilan libong ancestral house ang gigibain nyo sana? 1,600. So nilipat nyo sa General Santos. Ginawa niyong 6 to 8 lanes. Despite that, traffic pa rin ngayon. So aanhin natin ang highway dyan. Ilan lanes yung highway?
Mr. President, I think this is a very detailed consideration. No, but I would like, and also to help our colleague, I would rather that the representative from DPWH answer it directly. So I would like to request that we suspend.
Mr.
Madam
President,
Secretary, may I?
may we ask for a minute suspension, Mr. President?
Thank you.
Session suspended.